There's something special that happens when quilters come together. It's not just about the projects. It's about the conversations, the encouragement, and the joy of creating alongside people who truly understand your love for quilting. That feeling is at the heart of every Shabby Fabrics quilt retreat. And now we're taking that experience somewhere truly extraordinary. Shabby Fabrics is thrilled to announce that after much planning, many conversations, we are so excited to welcome you to the Shabby Fabrics Quilt Retreat, hosted at the world-famous Coeur d'Alene Resort. Nestled along the shores of beautiful Lake Coeur d'Alene in northern Idaho, this iconic destination gives us the perfect setting to bring quilters together in a way that feels inspiring, peaceful, and truly unforgettable. Now, before we talk about the resort, the views, or the amenities, we want to be very clear about one thing. This is a Shabby Fabrics quilting retreat for you. From the moment you arrive at the resort, you will feel at home. If you are flying in to Spokane International Airport, the airport identifier is GEG. And transportation is made simple by the Coeur d'Alene Resort, offering a convenient shuttle for hire service from the Spokane International Airport directly to the resort. You arrive, settle in, and you begin enjoying the retreat right away. Every room is beautiful, each offering its own unique view of Coeur d'Alene, whether you choose a city mountain view, a lake view, a marina view, or a park view. It's a lovely place to unwind and reflect after a full day of quilting. For our retreat, a special group of rooms have been reserved exclusively for Shabby Fabrics Quilt Retreat guests. Our exclusive retreat room rate is saving you over $100 per night. And over the course of your stay, that's a savings of hundreds. Now, I cannot stress this enough. As soon as you reserve your spot in the Shabby Fabrics Quilt Retreat for the Coeur d'Alene Resort, call them immediately after to book your rooms to receive this exclusive rate, because the resort will have our exclusive room rates available until April 7th. After April 7th, the rooms may still be available, but they will return to standard pricing. One additional benefit we're excited about for you: if you'd like to extend your stay to fully experience the beauty and charm of Coeur d'Alene, the resort is honoring our special room rate for up to 3 days before and 3 days after the retreat. It's a wonderful opportunity to arrive early, stay a little longer, and truly enjoy what Coeur d'Alene has to offer at your own pace. On our first evening together, we'll gather for a welcome reception and dinner. This is where the retreat truly begins. Introductions are made, stories are shared, and very quickly, you realize you're surrounded by people who feel like old friends. Throughout the retreat, Tammy and I will be right there with you, teaching quilting tutorials, answering questions, and offering guidance and encouragement as you work. And a customer favorite will be returning. Our Shabby Fabrics pop-up shop will be available for you while at the resort. But just as important as the teaching, the community, and the experience is the time to sew, time to focus, and time to enjoy the process without feeling rushed. You'll have generous open sewing sessions and the freedom to work on the projects you love at a pace that feels comfortable to you. The following day after arrival to the Coeur d'Alene Resort is one of the most anticipated moments of the week, our exclusive experience at the Shabby Fabrics showroom. We'll travel together by charter bus for a private shopping experience reserved only for Shabby Fabrics Quilt Retreat guests. The Shabby Fabrics showroom is known for its beauty, its 5-star customer care, and its welcoming atmosphere showcasing the beautiful projects, fabrics, notions, and so much more. Our showroom team will be there to greet you, help you, and make this experience truly special. This isn't just shopping. It's a moment that reminds you why you love being part of the Shabby Fabrics community. Now, at this point, I'm sure you are hungry. Let's talk about what you can expect for meals. Throughout the retreat, lunch will be provided each day, along with our welcome reception and a special dinner on our final evening together. And for that final night, we have something truly special planned. For breakfast and dinners, the schedule remains intentionally flexible, so you may choose to enjoy the resort's 5-star restaurants like Beverly's, enjoy 5-star cuisine with a side of beautiful lake views. Dockside, enjoy breakfast, lunch and dinner on the water, lobby cafe, offering coffee, tea, and cold drinks, as well as a wide selection of grab-and-go options. and Tito's Italian Grill, featuring Mediterranean-inspired cuisine, fire-baked pizzas, and an extensive wine selection. On the second to last evening, we'll host our famous music, trivia, and dance party. It's a joyful night filled with laughter, prizes, and shared memories together. And on our final evening, we'll come together for something truly special. We'll step aboard a Lake Coeur d'Alene cruise ship for a beautiful dinner on the water. It's a meaningful and memorable way to celebrate the week and the friendships formed. The Coeur d'Alene Resort also offers a full-service spa. It's a place to truly relax with massage services, hair appointments, nail and pedicure services, and soothing facials. You'll also find an indoor heated pool, perfect for unwinding at the end of the day, and a fully equipped fitness center if you'd like to stay active. These amenities are entirely optional and available whenever you'd like to enjoy them. And if you're traveling with a companion who happens to be a golf enthusiast, the Coeur d'Alene Resort is home to the world's only floating green. It's a truly iconic course and a bucket list experience for golfers. Now, I know that is a lot of information to remember, so don't worry. You can find all the answers to your questions on our website under Events, Coeur d'Alene Resort, Q&A. And remember, our goal for you at our Shabby Fabrics Quilt Retreat is simply this: to provide you with a once-in-a-lifetime quilting experience, personal instruction from Tammy and I, and a warm, welcoming community, all in an unforgettable setting. This is what a Shabby Fabrics Quilt Retreat is all about. If this sounds like the kind of experience you've been waiting for, we would truly love to welcome you. So head to the Shabby Fabrics website, click on Events. There you'll be able to choose the Coeur d'Alene Resort Quilt Retreat. Get registered today, and as soon as you've done that, make sure to make contact with the Coeur d'Alene Resort to book your hotel, your transportation, and any spa amenities. We can't wait to meet you at the Coeur d'Alene Resort.